All right, well, we just got a little bit here this morning, but finally the storm is going to eventually get out of here. I feel like we braved the roughest part of it, John.
I feel like we did too, yeah. Last night was kind of brutal. We saw that heavy rainfall all throughout the evening. Areas like Mount Tam seeing multiple inches of it. Many of our urban areas well in excess of an inch. We are still looking at those showers here from the East Bay Hills looking down into the bay. Look at all that snowfall picking up now in the Sierra Nevada. This is going to be a big snowmaking weekend ahead for the Sierra, especially on into Sunday as that next colder systems arrive. As for right now, we are seeing this last line of showers situated right across Solano County, the East Bay, on into the peninsula right now. Pockets of heavy rainfall just offshore of Daly City, as well as right above Hayward and San Leandro out towards San Ramon. This is going to be the nature of the next hour here. Pockets of heavy rain that you're encountering and then fizzling out at the next moment too. We actually do see a little bit of a break from this heavier rainfall for a lot of our later risers. So early risers today, unfortunately, are getting the rough end of the morning commute. So we work our way towards 7 and then 8 a.m. Look at this. We're actually calming down really nicely right there in the middle of some of the busiest times of the morning. We'll see some pockets of heavy rain into the afternoon. And these pockets of heavy rain could come along with some isolated thunderstorm development. So watch out for a few rolls of thunder and just in general, some of those dark clouds that'll be pushing overhead as we do move into the afternoon and evening tonight. Much the same into tomorrow morning, some convective activity, isolated thunderstorm development possible. That's the nature of the next 2 days here with spots of sunshine, dry skies from moment to moment, and then areas like here at Friday at 11 a.m. where San Jose could be seeing some heavy rainfall pushing through, just as one example. Futurecast of rainfall totals as we move through the next couple of days, pretty spotty. We will see anywhere from 1/3 of an inch to 3/4 of an inch. Isolated amounts could be heavier if you do find yourself under a thunderstorm. Our next big system moves in Sunday, and that one could have an even greater impact, especially for the Santa Cruz Mountains, as this one's going to be moving a little bit further southward. So reverse of this past one, lighter amounts further north and heavier amounts further south as we do move into the end of the weekend. Still under flood watches for virtually all of the Bay Area, and a flood warning in effect right now from Santa Rosa along 101 down through Petaluma and Novato after heavy rainfall last night. Winter storm warning stays in effect through 4 a.m. Saturday, fully anticipating that to stay into effect into early next week too, as we're really going to be seeing that snowfall piling up, as I've been mentioning, in the feet as we make our way into the close of the weekend. Anticipate some really rough travel home from the Sierra this weekend. High surf advisories out along the coastline, still looking at those very high waves, much the same as yesterday. Temperatures today are going to be a little cooler. Only a couple spots reaching 60 degrees like Hayward, San Jose, and Redwood City. And we're only getting cooler and cooler as this forecast goes by. Each one of these systems that's about to impact us is going to be a cold front boundary, which is just going to plunge cooler and cooler air across the region. Temperatures only in the mid-50s come the weekend, with Friday, Saturday, and Sunday bringing showers most likely Friday. Saturday our driest day, best one to get outside. And Sunday our worst one to get outside with our heaviest of rain.